Okay, look at how pretty I am. So pretty. Okay, here.
You have to hold down the button.
No, it's already recording now.
Yay!
Give a view of my outfit. Go up and down.
Woo! And turn around. Up and down and turn around. Kick me. Yay!
We're going down. Mom and Dad haven't seen me, like, dressed like this.
They can't hear you very well.
Yeah, they can.
Remember how bad your camera is?
It's not bad. Stop. You've got to focus on my face, not my boobs. Thanks. Anyways, they don't know I'm dressed up like this, so we're going downstairs to get their reactions.
Yay, reactions!
What? Oh, he's already mad. What? You need to hurry up and get off the internet.
I'm not on the internet.
No, Kate, you gotta go in there and get their faces.
Okay, Sophie.
Mom,
Hola.
I have a surprise for you. No, you
Hi.
have to Dad first, because he'll see me first.
Okay.
Mom.
I never used to go out without Neutrogena
Turn around, Becca.
and seed cell turnover visibly fades brown
Oh!
Yes.
Cake, not punch.
We need to post that on the internet under I Looked Hot Today.
Mom, it's recording.
I know.
And right now she's clipping her toenails.
Look at that. That's gross. Looks freaking pretty. I was going to talk with the list, but it wasn't working. Shut up.
Say hi.
Shut up.
Say hi.
Shut
That's
up.
who you remind me of right now.
Corey? Shut up.
When Corey used to go dressed up just because. Hey.